Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Siri not working on iPhone iOS 18. Check Siri settings. First, open the setting app on your phone, scroll down and tap on Siri. Now tap on Talk to Siri. Make sure it's set to Hey Siri or Siri. Now follow the on-screen instructions. After turning on Siri, go back to home screen and call Hey Siri. If the Siri is not enabling, then press the side button and then check if the type to Siri is enabled or not. If the type to Siri is enabled, then it may be a problem in your microphone. Check microphone on your iPhone. Check if your microphone and clean the microphone ports of your iPhone. Your microphone is working correctly and the problem is only in the Siri. Then check iOS version. Open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have any update, then update the software. Make sure you have the latest iOS software installed on your phone. After updating the software, check if the Siri is working or not. If it is still not working, then check Apple ID. Region, go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General again. Scroll down and tap on the Language and Region. In this, look for the option Region and click on it and set and make sure it is set to the United States. After changing the region, check if the Siri is working or not. If it's still not working, then force restart. Press volume up, then quickly press volume down. Hold the side button. Don't slide to power off. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Mention that this won't delete personal data and only reloads the phone's code to fix the issue. After force restart, verify if the Siri is working or not. If it's still not working, then reset all settings. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Here, scroll down and look for the option Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on it. Now, tap on the Reset option. From the menu, select Reset All Settings. Enter your screen time passcode and confirm it. After resetting all the settings, check if the Siri is working. Let's just say, Hey Siri. Now you can see Siri is working. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.